Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Medicheck, and today we'll be looking at the introduction to Excel as part of our capacity building in Excel for All. Now, this video covers the basics of Excel and it's for everyone that has never used Excel before or has seen Excel before that doesn't really know how to use it. Now, the first thing we need to do is to launch Microsoft Excel, and we can do this easily going to Start, All the Apps, locating Excel, and then clicking on it. Now, once you launch Excel, this is what the interface looks like. We have a bunch of templates right here. Templates are predefined and already made worksheets that contain works of certain kinds. So if you look here, we have reports, calendars, and all of that stuff. We are trying to create our own workbooks. So we go to blank workbook here and click on that. And this is what the Excel interface looks like once you open it up. Now, the first thing we are going to see is what a grid, right? See a bunch of lines going up and down and then left and right. What this represents are rows and columns. We have the vertical rows indicated by the alphabet A, B, D, all the way to a whole lot more. We are not going to get into that. And then we have the rows starting from 1, 2, 3, all the way to a very big number. We are not also getting into that. Now, at the top here, we have the title bar as it is in almost every other window in a computer. On this left side, we have quick access toolbar. In the quick access toolbar, you have the save, undo, redo. But this button right here, which is the customer quick access toolbar command, allows you to add a few commands in there. And as its name says, quick access, which means frequently used commands are kept on there. Now here we have the control box, allows you to close, minimize, and all of that stuff. Let's not get into that since everyone uses it. Now at the top here, in this particular area, we have the ribbon, which displays commands under the various tabs. We have the file tab, which allows you to save as, print, share, export, publish, close, and a whole lot of other stuff. We have the home tab, and under the home tab, it's mainly for formatting. Formatting deals with the appearance of stuff in your sheet. We have the insert tab, which it allows you to insert stuff into your worksheet. So you can insert a pivot table, a table. I'm pretty sure if you're new to Excel, you might not know what all of these are, but as time goes on, you get to understand them more. Page layout allows you to decide what your page is going to look at. Formulas allows you to insert inbuilt formulas or create your own to help make work easier and simpler. Data allows you to refresh your worksheet, link, sort, filter, and all of the other stuff in here. We'll get into those two later. Review allows you to do spelling and grammar check. The Thesaurus provides you with synonyms, translate to different languages, protect your workbook by adding passwords to it, or protect a worksheet by adding a password to it. And then view here allows you to, turn on or turn off certain features in Excel as you may need them. Now, on the right corner here, we have the letter A1, and when I hover over it, you see the name appears as what? Name box. Name box indicates the name of the currently active cell. In this case, A1, because column A and row 1 meet here. If I clicked here, it becomes what? C4, which indicates the name of the cell. Now, to the right of this is the formula bar. It is called a formula bar because mainly you can input formulas in there, but it also displays the content of a cell. So let's go back to cell A1 and type in a word. Now, what happens? You notice that as I typed in a word, it appeared in the formula bar. And so one more thing is that the formula bar indicates or displays the content of a cell. You can also change the content of a cell by editing it in the formula bar. So let's say I meant to type a number instead of a word. So all I have to do is click in my formula bar, erase whatever is there, and type in a number. Now, earlier on, I think you may have heard me mention a workbook. Now, a workbook is basically, think of it like a normal book. Every book is made of sheets. Now, in Excel, you are able to create workbooks, and in each workbook, you can have a single sheet or multiple sheets. By default, you have one sheet, and it is always named Sheet 1. As you please or need, you can add more worksheets. So let's say I'm creating a worksheet for different records. So I could create Sheet 2, sheet 3 by clicking on the add new worksheet button down there. Let's go back to our sheet 1. Now, after I'm done typing in whatever I have typed, all I have to do is what? Save it. Now, to save a worksheet, you need to click on the File command, click on Save As, browse, set the location you want it. I'm choosing desktop. Type it in as tutorial 1, and then I click on Save. And just like that, if you look on the title bar, it says tutorial 1, which means my workbook has been saved. These are basically all you need. But one last thing before we move is entering data into Excel. Like I showed earlier on, data can be entered directly into Excel or in the formula bar. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.